Hello guys, I am Rajesh Obraya speaking on behalf of R. Obraya and Associates. Now today's topic is shuttering. Shuttering is nothing but the molds. Before doing any concreting, shuttering is required. And it is a temporary and vital this item. It is a temporary structure in construction line. Okay, and this purpose to provide a stable, elevated support for the wet concrete into a required mold, required as per the desired shape. And after doing the concreting, shuttering is to be removed. After, in case of beams, it will be removed after 2-3 days. In case of slabs, it will be removed after 28 days, as per the compressive strength of the concrete. Function: creates a mold to hold the wet concrete, preventing leaks and ensuring the concrete structure has a precise finish. Once it hardens, it is removed. That I had already told you earlier. In this steel shuttering and timber shuttering that is used for creating the molds. Thank you. Now I will do the calculation for shuttering material of slab and beam, and we will take with the thumb rule. With the thumb rule, we will find out the quantity of the slab and beam shuttering. Suppose the flat slab area is 12 meter by 30 meter, so it will be meter. After it's okay, but it is in feet. We take so 12 feet by 30 feet. So total area comes 360 square feet. Okay. Now you have seen the beam sides. When the slab shuttering will be there, beam sides will be there on the both sides. So we will take that area 30% of the total slab area. Total area of the where shuttering is to be done. So it comes to 400. We will take 20%, so it will come some 468 square feet. And actual quantity of shuttering of beam, we will take this 360 into 15%. So it comes to some 520 square feet. Plyboard will be required, which I had already discussed, that area A, which is a beam slab area, it comes to 460 plus 520. So that area comes to some 1,100 square feet. Okay, 1,600 square feet. So it comes to 162 square meter. Now, if we take plyboard, which we are purchasing from the market, so plyboard is 1.22 meter into 2.44 meter. So it comes to 2.93 square meter. It comes to 2.93 square meter. If we divide the slab area by 3, so we will get 54 number of plyboards. That is required. Okay, thank you.